Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to set snap to grid in Inkscape. So first we need to do is turn on page grid. So I go to view and then I select this one option, page grid. You will see here the page grid, but if you want to change snap to grid settings, we need to go to the left upper corner and go to file, and then you will see here a lot of really useful settings. One of them is document properties. You need to open this one option or use shortcut Shift Ctrl D from your keyboard. So I click here and you will see here this one window. We are interested in to go to grids bookmark. So I click on this one option, and now on define grids you can see a lot of really useful settings connected to snapping. But of course the most important thing is spacing. For example, we can change these values to 10. So I type here 10 and press enter. And I will change this spacing to 10 and I press enter. And like you see, it is really working. Of course, if you want, you can type here lower values. So for example, I will type here 0.5. So let's do it now. And the same value I will type here 0.5. I press enter. And like you see, our modification in page grid have been successfully implemented. So we can close this window, and that's how it works. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.